Welcome to LaLas World. Today's video is how to make your comments get noticed on YouTube. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you know when more videos come out. I will point out that I'm using a desktop computer with Windows 10 on a Chrome browser, but it should work with other devices and browsers. I'm going to be doing this in one of my old videos. First, go to the video that you want to make comments on and scroll to the comment section. Type your comment. To make words bold, type an asterisk on each side of the word or sentence you want to make bold. So, you would press the Shift key and the number 8 at the same time. To make words italicized, type an underscore on each side of the word or sentence you want to make italicized. So, you'd press the Shift key and the line key after the 0 at the same time. To make a word strike through, type a dash on each side of the word or sentence you want to make a strike through. So, you'd simply press the line key before and after the word or sentence. Once you're done making your comment, look to the right and click Comment. As you see, it will show up in the section as bold, italics, and strike through. I'm going to delete this and show you how to do emojis. To add emojis, click in the comic section and right-click and the menu will come up. Please note, some browsers don't have that option, so you would look to the right and you'd see an emoji icon. Click this and the available emojis will show up, and then you'd be able to click the one you want to use. Another option is to use Tubebuddy. With Tubebuddy, after you sign in, all you have to do is go to the comment section and a menu with all of the options we went over will be in the area where you are making the comment. I have a link down below where you can get Tubebuddy. Now, lastly, if you want timestamps in your comments, you'd need to remember the exact section you want the reader to go to, and then down in the comment section, you would type the number exactly as it is shown in the video. So, if you wanted to go to, let's say, 4:49, I would type 4:49 and then save my comment and it appears. It's a different color when it's saved, and this is what the viewer can click on to go directly to the section that you're referencing. Well, thanks for watching how to make your comments get noticed on YouTube with bold, italics, strike through, and emojis in 2020. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.